everyone, my name is Cheyenne and today I will be doing an unboxing for the Boxy charm for the month of May. So let's get started. I know it's a little late in the month, but I finally received it, and when I received this Boxy charm box, let me tell ya, it was a wreck. The box came with duct tape all over it. It looked like it was stomped on. It reminded me of like Ace Ventura in the beginning of the movie, because I recently watched it, where he's just like kicking the box, stomping on it. This is what it came to me like. Oh man, it's all bent up and out of shape, but luckily the products did not get damaged, so I'll stop complaining about that. I'm gonna start off with this Tarte High Performance makeup remover. It's called, I don't know how to pronounce it, forgive me, Micellar Magic, and it's a cleanser as well. This stuff is amazing. I've used this twice already to remove my makeup, and this retails for, let me take a look here, $18. And I did not mention this in my last video, but these boxes I'm getting run about $25. I think plus tax is like $26. So I'm definitely getting my money's worth. I'm very excited about this. My next product I chose to get, because again, when you get a subscription, you sometimes get options to get a free item, and you get a choice between two items. I chose to get this Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask, and it's like this. It is so fancy. I like this packaging. I haven't yet tried it. I have yet to try this. When I open it up, there's definitely some like kind of like a scrub to this mask. It doesn't smell like anything berry-like. It just smells like a normal mask. But it's definitely a gritty, let me see. It's not too gritty. I'll let you know how this goes. I have yet to try it. Let me wipe that off real quick. And that item retails for $49. So definitely getting my money's worth on this item as well. Next item I want to dive into is this high pigment lip gloss with coconut oil. It's pretty neat. It comes in a package like this. I'm going to take it out. It's Fifth Ave. I don't know if that's the name of this shade. I'm pretty sure it is because it's on the top of the packaging. I really want to try this out. So when I take it out, it is like this really pretty, it's almost like a berry color. I'm taking it out. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a nude. It's like a dark nude to me. I'm going to try this on. This smells like it has some sort of fruit in it. It doesn't smell like coconut, but the scent to it is kind of like fruity. It's really beautiful. Blend it on really nicely, and it blended in with the lipstick I'm wearing. Gives it a nice shine, but it is definitely getting on my teeth. It's really pretty. I like it. And this retails for $17. So that's another good item I got in this month's Boxy charm. I'm gonna go into the last two items. I'm dipping into this black, it's called Blackity Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. It's by Hank and Henry. Packaging's pretty cool. I don't have any products by this brand, so I'm not sure how this, you know, applies to the skin. But I will definitely do a little swatch on this item. I'm gonna open it for the first time. So when I'm turning this, it's making a cranking noise. Is that normal? Oh, okay, okay. So it comes like that. That is so strange. Let's do a swatch and see what it is. Okay. It's really nice. It almost looks like a little Sephora logo. I did it perfectly. Wow, this will probably be a quick way to do your makeup. It just, boop, it's pretty cool. And this retails for $17 as well. Pretty nice. And it is slick. That's what it says about this product. Introducing the latest addition to our Slick With It line and eye products. This eyeliner is vegan liquid formula. That is nice. That's good to know. It dries down to a satin matte finish. A formula that is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. Are they trying to tell me something? Because I definitely have hooded eyelids. So yeah, this should be a good product for me. It definitely did dry quickly. Okay, moving on. I got this Pretty Vulgar. I'm pretty sure that is the name of the brand. It is an eyeshadow primer. The packaging is super cute. It's like this baby pink color. Let's see. What about this product? Pretty Vulgar retails for $22. So that's just under the price of this whole entire box. That's pretty cool. Let's read about this a little bit. Its Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. Okay. So I'm taking the top off. I'm just gonna take that out. Let's see what it has a tint to it. It's like a tan color. It's pretty cool. Let's get the feeling of this. Can you see that? Oh, there it goes. It's thick. It's kind of thick. It's not like, did it say it was lightweight? I mean, the first touch it had some thickness to it, but as I'm rubbing it into my fingertips, it's very smooth, it's very soft. I'm liking that. I can't wait to put this on my face before I put my makeup on. That is it. So this entire box came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, no, I counted it wrong. I counted this box. The lip gloss was out of it. Duh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A total of 5 items. They're all really nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing with me. Let me know down in the comments which item you were surprised that I got in this, or which items you have used and like. I want to know your opinions. Until then, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, don't be afraid to hit that like button or the subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Bye!